All right, listen.
Here's
why we're here. We're here to tell you all about something that we did that was stupid. And let me tell you why it was stupid. Because I hate Fords, and more importantly, the addendum to that is I hate 6.0 Fords even worse than I hate Fords as a total. And then we went turned around and we bought one. So now we bought a 6.0 for videos because we've run out of platforms, and now we thought it was a smart idea to work on 6.0s for videos to help you all. But no kidding, seriously, this is an 06 King Ranch Edition Powerstroke. One of our good friends over from Mechanic Masters, they had a buddy that had this truck. Pretty nice old farm truck. She needs head gaskets right now, so video number one is probably going to be head gaskets. How to take a cab off of a 6.0. All the plethora of things that you can talk about when it comes to 6.0. So, Jaron Holder, we are living vicariously through you. That's it. Was something wrong? Was one of my chins down there? I think they were covering up my tags or my butt chin. My butt chin was there. So, say a prayer for us, and Mazel Tov.